Ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? A question that piques your curiosity, doesn't it? Let's unravel the enigma of the universe, starting with black holes. In the simplest of terms, a black hole is a place in space where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape its pull. It's like gravity threw a party and invited everyone, but no one can leave. Imagine the strongest vacuum cleaner ever, but on a cosmic scale. That's a black hole for you. So, where do these cosmic vacuum cleaners come from? Just like a caterpillar metamorphoses into a butterfly, black holes too have their own fascinating birth story. Picture a star, a giant one, much larger than our sun, burning brightly in the cosmic theater. This star, however, is nearing the end of its life cycle. As the star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer sustain the balance between the outward push of radiation and the inward pull of gravity. The star hence succumbs to its own gravity, collapsing inward in a dramatic death throe known as a supernova. What's left? A super-dense core. If this core is massive enough, it continues to collapse, forming a black hole. But here's an intriguing point. Not all stars end up as black holes. Only those with a significant mass have this grand finale. So remember, behind every black hole, there was once a star that shone brightly, but it's not the end of their story. Now, what happens inside these black holes? Is it a gateway to another universe or just a cosmic dead end? The answer, my friends, is not as clear-cut as you might imagine. The mysteries inside a black hole are as intriguing as they are terrifying. Some theories suggest that as you plunge into a black hole, you'd experience spaghettification, a process where you'd be stretched into a long, thin strip, much like a piece of spaghetti. An unsettling prospect, isn't it? Then there's the idea that black holes could be portals to other universes, a concept that's as fascinating as it is mind-boggling. Could we simply pop out into another dimension, a new world, or even a parallel universe? But remember, these are just theories. Our understanding of black holes is still evolving, and scientists around the globe are working tirelessly to unravel these deep cosmic mysteries. Black holes continue to baffle us with their mysteries, but who knows, maybe one day we'll uncover their secrets. So, we've journeyed through the birth and inside of a black hole, but there's still so much more to discover. We've delved into the enigma of the universe, touched upon the fascinating process of black hole formation, and peeked inside these mysterious celestial bodies. We've danced with the unknown, venturing where light itself fears to tread. Yet the mysteries of black holes remain largely unraveled. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. If you could safely explore a black hole, would you take the plunge? Share your thoughts in the comments below.